and slowly eastern coast of India started emerging. Slowly eastern coast of India यहाँ पे the river will keep on bringing the sediment and then slowly and slowly ये क्या हो गया है? Which kind of coast? Emergent type of coast. और जब ये coast ऐसे है और ये coast नीचे जाने लग जाए तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? Submergent type of coast. Getting my point? So यहाँ पर तो ये ऊपर हो रहा है तो the eastern coast of India is which kind of coast? And it is making the coastal region to be what? Deltaic with shallow depth. Yes or not? और यहाँ पर धीरे धीरे डिपोजिशन होता चला जाएगा एंड देन हमें बाद में दिखेगा कि ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज वाइड. यस, ड्यू टू डिपोजिशन and they have a shallow and shallow coast does not support the formation of natural ports. So write down. क्या था लास्ट लाइन? डिपोजिटिंग. अच्छा, डिपोजिटिंग बता चुका है ना. Therefore, eastern coast of India is known as emergent type of coast, which is very shallow and wider, which is very shallow and wider. This shallow and wider emergent type of coast wider emergent coast. क्या लाइन बोला था मैंने? is not supporting formation of natural ports and harbors. Western coast of India is narrow which is also known as Western coast of India is narrow, which is also considered as deposition of coarser particles. And eastern coast of India, which is wider and also considered as deposition of finer sediment. Now tell me, which coast will be fertile, western coast or eastern coast? Eastern coast has finer sediment. they can become a soil kind of it, the deltas kind of it. Therefore, it is in a what? Eastern coast of India is fertile than western coast of India. Understood it? सारा फॉर्मेशन समझा चुका हूं मैं. If you see that ये आपके नोट्स में है और ये दिख रहा है धीरे धीरे इंडियन गोंडवाना प्लेट एंड दिस साइड इज व्हाट Madagascar. The Indian Gondwana plate keep on moving away. So when I said that I said यहाँ पे इंडिया है बट इंडिया वॉज नॉट एक्चुअली हियर. सो यहाँ पर क्या ही हैज slowly leaving behind what Madagascar and this Indian Gondwana plate was. I said that around 75 million years ago started, what is I said that passing over रीयूनियन हॉटस्पॉट. हॉटस्पॉट एक जमीन के अंदर ऐसा रीजन होता है जहां से रेगुलर मैग्मा निकलते रहता है. एंड दिस इंडियन गोंडवाना प्लेट अराउंड 70 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो स्टार्टेड पासिंग ओवर और यहाँ से मैग्मा निकला एंड देयर इज अ वोल्केनिक इरप्शन. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट volcanic eruption took place on the eastern side. Further this plate moved here. So when the plate moved here, then यहाँ पे magma निकलना बंद हो गया. Now when it is coming over, the plate moved now. तो यहाँ पे निकलना बंद हो गया. Now it is coming out this way. Further plate moved, then this is coming out at this position. So therefore there is a what? 4 series of volcanic eruption took place. क्योंकि ये तो यहीं का यहीं था but plate was moving like this. Yes, plate तो अपना move करते जा रहा था तो here is a friction. Then यहाँ हुआ. फिर further it moved further northward. तो यहाँ फिर then यहाँ हुआ. And then there is a 4 period of volcanic eruption took place. और इसके वजह से every time the magma what is spreaded in the large area, and this is a hotspot. It is coming from the deeper mantle and they have basaltic magma, and basaltic magma is very liquid in nature. So it has been spreaded all around, then second layer is spreaded around, third layer is spreaded all around, fourth layer is spreaded. So this way it has a thicker around 2 kilometer it become. What is the thickness? 1.5 to 2 kilometer it become, and this Deccan Plateau formation has been taken place. And how much thick? 2 kilometer, and it has faced and it was passing over which hotspot? Reunion hotspot. And then ये स्टेयर चाइल्ड चारों तरफ से क्या दिख रहा है? ये दिस इज द वन प्लेट. उसके बाद इधर क्या दिख रहा है मुझे? स्टेयर्स. And then periphery of Deccan Plateau was looking like what? Stairs. Therefore it is known as what? Deccan trap. Stair means trap. So इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? And then how many layers we have? 4 layers. And when this Indian Gondwana plate was moving faster, और आपको याद हो मैंने वोल्केनो में बताया होगा when it is moving up first के बाद फिर second हुआ, second के बाद third and fourth was faster. Therefore it is looking like ये सेंट्रल दिख रहा है. ऐसे क्या दिख रहा है? ये सेंट्रल, लेकिन फास्ट होने की वजह से थर्ड एंड फोर्थ लग रहा है कि ये पूरा कैसे मैग्मा ऐसे क्रैक हुआ. दिस प्लेट हैज बीन क्रैक्ड एंड इट इज लुकिंग लाइक व्हाट? फिशर टाइप ऑफ volcanic eruption. और ये how many years ago it has been happened? 70 million years ago. What happened? ये आपके नोट्स में रहेगा. 70 million years ago Indian Gondwana plate was moving northward and then it is passing over the Reunion hotspot. First volcanic eruption took place in the northwest. Further plate and then the layer of basaltic magma has been spread around. Further this plate moved northward, then toward the southeast of it there is another volcanic eruption took place. Understood? Further it moved further northward, लेकिन इस समय movement speed is little फास्टर, प्लेट थोड़ा सा तेज मूव कर रहा था एंड मैग्मा भी जल्दी जल्दी आ रहा था. तो थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ड्यूरिंग द मूवमेंट is in a volcanic eruption, the magma come basaltic, it was large in amount and very fast. So the western central type of volcanic eruption, जो central से hole बना के निकल रहे थे, they are looking like I said that which one I said, fissure. और ये आपको कहाँ चला गया, छोटा नागपुर की तरफ, और ये आपका क्या बना दिया, डेक्कन प्लेट्यू. समझ में आ रहा है. तो ये यहाँ पर छोटा नागपुर में थोड़ा सा बेसाल्ट निकला है here and there, and here we have got what, अंडरस्टूड इट. समझ में आ गया. फर्दर ये प्लेट मूव किया एंड उसके बाद यहाँ पे वोल्केनिक इरप्शन यहाँ हुआ. तो आई सेड दैट अब यहाँ हुआ, फिर यहाँ हुआ, तो देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंड देन विद इन द अरेबियन सी व्हाट इज ना वोल्केनिक आइलैंड स्टार्टेड कमिंग अप एंड देयर इज अ सीरीज ऑफ आइलैंड. और ये वोल्केनिक आइलैंड समुद्र में ही डूबा था, बट इट इज इन व्हाट कवर्ड विद corals, and coral started coming up, and in this way Lakshadweep become which island, coral island. Understood it? So simple. I have said that around 70 million years ago Indian Gondwana plate was moving northward, and during its northward movement I said that it was passing over the Reunion hotspot. Then in the northeast of India, northeastern part of Indian Gondwana plate, first volcanic eruption took place, and this magma is spreaded all around. Thereafter I said that second period of volcanic eruption started southeast of what, earlier one, first one थोड़ा सा southeast होते जा रहा है, southwest, and then I said that there is an which volcanic eruption, basaltic hotspot, it is easily coming up and spreading. And after the second, third and fourth was faster, therefore second, third, fourth looking like fissure type eruption. और ये मैग्मा ने क्या क्रिएट किया, they have created Deccan Plateau. And then the peripheral region of Deccan Plateau is what, made up of stairs, therefore it is known as what, Deccan Trap. Understood? और ये यहाँ रह गया तो वो क्या है, नियर बाई सम छोटा नागपुर रीजन में बेसाल्टिक लावा फ्लो. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर है, समझ में आ चुका है. सो वी हैव सीन दैट डेक्कन प्लेट्यू फॉर्मेशन, समझ में आ गया. एंड देन आई सेड दैट वेस्टर्न घाट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर्मेशन समझ में आ गया. ये कैसे बना, नॉर्मल फॉल्ट और कंप्रेशनल फोर्स. नॉर्मल फॉल्ट में टेंशनल फोर्स होता है, ठीक है. Therefore I asked tensional force, नॉर्मल फॉल्ट और कंप्रेशनल फोर्स. तो आप लोगों ने नॉर्मल फॉल्ट नहीं कह के क्या कहा, टेंशनल फोर्स, जो कि मैंने आपको ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया था. ऑप्शन में था नॉर्मल फॉल्ट और कंप्रेशनल फोर्स. तो कंप्रेशनल फोर्स में तो होगा नहीं, प्लेट्स मूव अवे हुए और हैंगिंग वॉल क्या हो गया, इट हैज गॉन डाउन. And I said foot wall remained up under the isostatic balance, therefore it is coming off isostacy. Understood? This is completely okay. Next part हम लोगों ने इसका formation western ghat. Now western ghat has been divided into what is known 3 divisions. How many divisions? How many divisions it has? और western ghat को और क्या कहते हैं, सह्याद्री. It is known as what? सह्याद्री. If it is known as Sahyadri, it has been divided into 3. First it is, I said that Tapi to Goa. Second I said that Tapi to Kerala coast, Malabar. And then third one is what? Malabar only. So first I said the Kerala to Tapi to Goa. And Goa to what is in Maharashtra, Malabar, and thereafter I said that towards the Malabar coast, south of. So 3 Sahyadri, northern Sahyadri, central Sahyadri, and southern Sahyadri. Which are the 3 Sahyadri? Northern, central, and which? Southern Sahyadri. Northern Sahyadri कहाँ पे है? It is completely in Maharashtra. It is completely in महाराष्ट्र. अंडरस्टूड? तो हम लोग किसको देखने जा रहे हैं, समझ में आ गया? साथ में लिख ले वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया, तो वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया विल बी नैरो और ईस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया विल बी नैरो। किधर लिखेंगे? along Maharashtra, western coast is known as Konkan coast, along Karnataka known as Kannada coast, in Kerala known as Malabar coast. Western coast of India along Konkan coast through southwest monsoon Arabian branch caused heavy rainfall. क्या लाइन बोला मैंने? Heavy rainfall in the range of 200 plus centimeter. In the range of 200 plus centimeter. On the leeward side, in Maharashtra, it is causing very less rainfall due to rain shadow effect or leeward effect.